everyone. Welcome to Learning is Fun with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make a 10 to add. You can make a 10 to help you add. Here we have 8 plus 5. Well, we have 8 red chips in one of our 10 frames or our tens tables, and we have 5 yellow chips in another tens frame or tens table. Let's see how we can make a 10 to add. We have 8 red chips. We add 2 more yellow chips from this table, leaving us 3 chips here in this table and allowing us to complete our tens table. We get 10 plus 3. 8 plus 5 is 13, and 10 plus 5 is 13. Now we know that 8 plus 5 is 13 because the 8 red chips added to the 5 yellow chips allowed us to complete our tens table and left us with 3 yellow chips, and 10 plus 3 is 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Now, let's pause the video and do some practice problems. 8 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 3 plus 8, 7 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 5 plus 9. Pause the video and be sure to make a 10 to add. Now that you have had some time to practice, let's go over these problems. 8 plus 4 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. 3 plus 8 is 11. We have 3 red chips and we add 8 more yellow chips, giving us 10 plus 1 is 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 plus 9. 5 red chips added to 9 yellow chips gives us 10 plus 4, which is 14. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 7 plus 9. We have 7 red chips and 9 yellow chips. 7 plus 9 gives us 16. We know this because 10 plus 6 gives us 16. Which number is missing? 8 plus 5 equals 10 plus blank. 6 plus 9 equals 10 plus blank. 8 plus 9 equals 10 plus blank. Pause the video and see if you can solve these problems. Now let's go over these problems and see how well you did. Which number is missing? We have 8 plus 5 equals 10 plus 3. Let's see how we got the missing number. We have our 8 yellow chips and we add 5 red chips. Once we do that, our 10 frame is complete. We're left with 3 more chips. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Let's look at the problem 8 plus 5. We have 8 yellow chips and we add 5 more red chips. In the first table, we have completed our tens table. Of the 5 red chips, we still have 3 more left. We will put them in a new table. When we add everything together, we get 8 plus 5 equals 13. And as you can see, 10 plus 3 equals 13 also. 6 plus 9 equals 10 plus 5. We have 6 yellow chips and 9 red chips. We complete our tens table and we're left with 5 red chips. 10 plus 5 is 15. 6 plus 9 is 15. Let's look at the problem 6 plus 9. We have 6 yellow chips and we add 9 more red chips. In the first table, we have completed our tens table. Of the 9 red chips, we still have 5 more left. We will put them in a new table. When we add everything together, we get 6 plus 9 equals 15. And as you can see, 10 plus 5 equals 15 also. 7 plus 9 equals 10 plus 6. We have 7 yellow chips and 9 red chips. We completed our tens table. We got 10 plus 6 equals 16. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Let's look at the problem 7 plus 9. We have 7 yellow chips and we add 9 more red chips. In the first table, we have completed our tens table. Of the 9 red chips, we still have 6 more left. We will put them in a new table right here. When we add everything together, we get 7 plus 9 equals 16. And as you can see, 10 plus 6 equals 16 also. 10's team scored 16 points in a game. During the first half, they scored 9 points. How many points did the team score in the second half of the game? Pause the video and work out this problem. Let's see how you did. Tan's team scored 16 points in a game. During the first half, they scored 9 points. How many points did the team score in the second half of the game? Well, if we have, let's look at the problem again. We have 7 plus 9. So we have 7 yellow chips and 9 red chips. In the first table, we have completed our tens table. Of the 9 red chips, we still have 6 more left. We'll put them here in the new table. When we add everything up, we get 10 plus 6 equals 16. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. And these numbers can be interchanged. If we switch the add-ins, 9 plus 7, we still end up getting 16. So, as you can see, 7 plus 9 is 16, 9 plus 7 is 16, and 10 plus 6 is also 16. The school has a clothing drive for charity. Anna's class donates 8 coats. Nico's class donates 6 hats. Adam's class donates 9 coats. How many coats were donated in all? Please pause the video and work out this problem. Let's see how you did. Here's our explanation. There were clothes and hats that were donated. We will only look at the coats. Let's make a table, then use our tens table to solve. So Anna's class got 8 coats donated. Adam's class got 9 coats donated. In our first tens table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yellow chips and representing the 8 coats. And we also add Adam's class's 9 coats. So once we do that, we complete our tens frame. We still have some chips left over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chips left over. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Now, in our first tens table, we have 8 yellow chips, right? We add 9 more red chips. The first table is now complete, but we still have 7 more red chips left. So we place them in the second tens table. And we get 8 plus 9 equals 17, and 10 plus 7 equals 17. Great work! In today's lesson, we learned how to make a 10 to add. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.